Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're a returning one, thank you so much. You're also welcome. Yeah, so I'm just from the market. I've done, like, I went for grocery shopping at the market, Kware market. Yeah, so I went there, bought some groceries, and so now I'm back at home. No, I've been like kind of busy, so I didn't get the time to go to the market to arrange the fridge. But now that I got time today, so I was supposed actually to go yesterday, but then I was busy. I went to the salon and the nail spa, so I couldn't go. So today I just decided to go there, and yeah, I got some groceries. So I'm going to do a grocery haul and fridge organization. I'm going to do the two at once. Yeah, so stay tuned for more. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and also share my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy this one. So this is my new fridge, guys. I haven't been using it since I brought it home because I had not like shopped for it. Yeah, I didn't do shopping, but now that I've done shopping, I'm going to organize it and use it. So over here I have my mbogas, my Kenyan vegetables. These ones I just bought them around here. There's a certain woman who sells the vegetables and other stuff around. It's bought from her. She also cut for me these vegetables, so it's so much easy work when I go back home. This is kunde and mrenda. It's so slimy and I love it. I love it slimy. So kunde is more than the mrenda, so you don't have to put baking soda or magadi or any other stuff to soften it. It will just be soft. And then over here is the managu and terere. Yeah, this is managu and terere, also cut. So all I do is she also washed them with very clean water, so I just came and boiled. So I also got omena. It was very fresh. You can see how fresh it looks. This one goes for 200 shillings. Omena has become so expensive. This used to be like 150. Yeah, 150 Kenyan shillings. And then I got these beans, 1 kg, and also the maize. This I'm going to use to cook githeri. Yeah, so this one goes for, yeah, one tin goes for 100 Kenyan shillings, and this one for 1 kg goes for 130 Kenyan shillings. And then I had these at the supermarket. They are quite cheaper there. This one goes for 50 shillings, the two, but in the market only one goes for 50 shillings. So I think it's better to buy in the supermarket. In the supermarket is quite cheaper. Yeah, so I bought two. I bought 4, so like this and the other one, there are a total of 4. Yeah. Over here I have my githeri. It's a mixture of beans, groundnuts, and maize. Yeah, so I'm going to boil it in this pressure cooker. It will take only 1 hour. So let's boil this. And then over here I'm preparing my bell peppers. I want to freeze them. Okay guys, here are some of the things that I have washed, and these are the lemons. I bought these at 4 goes for 20 Kenyan shillings. This one, the price has really gone down because initially this was 10 shillings, so this one could go for 40 Kenyan shillings, which was quite expensive. since Rona happened. And then I got these ones for 3 at 20 Kenyan shillings. These green bell peppers are usually less expensive, like cheaper than the red and yellow bell peppers. So I've mixed the green and yellow and red. These ones I'm going to freeze. I'll first flash freeze and then like separate them so that they don't, like when I want to use, I just scoop, they'll be in singles. Yeah, so, and I also have beetroots over here. These beetroots, I got them for 2 at 50 Kenyan shillings. I've never been a fan of beetroot, but then I'm thinking of making beetroot and carrot juice. Yeah, a mixture of that with a touch of lemon. Yeah, so I think that one will do. So, and others, maybe I can use it later for some juice, maybe and orange, I don't know, but I'll try. And then I have these tomatoes. Tomatoes have really gone high. They are so expensive. This one was going for 3 at 20 Kenyan shillings. This used to be for 3 at 10 Kenyan shillings, which is, it has been quite expensive of late. And in some places, like the 3 were going for 25 Kenyan shillings. So I bought at one place first and then added the other one for the next place. Yeah, this is cheaper too. It is like, this is 20 Kenyan shillings. And yeah, I removed some over here. The ginger is quite affordable. And the coriander is also quite affordable. This one is 20 Kenyan shillings, even though in Nakuru I could buy this for 10 Kenyan shillings, but economy has gone high, so the prices have also gone high. And the carrot, another thing that amazes me with the carrot is how it's like, this one goes for 20 Kenyan shillings, like the 4. Yeah, so this one I'll cut some and then freeze, then some I'll just leave it like that. Yeah, and then next I got this. I got the garlic. Garlic goes for 20 Kenyan shillings. One goes for 20. Yeah, and I bought the 3. This one I had in the house. And the onions have become very expensive. Like 3 go for 25 Kenyan shillings. Like these 3 used to be like 20 Kenyan shillings, and also 3 for 10 shillings. Like it has gone up. And then I got this beautiful pack, like these containers. This one comes in 5. So I got these containers for the fridge. I'll use them to store some items in the fridge. Yeah, and they're big containers. These ones I got at Clean Shelf. Clean Shelf is just around that Kware market, so I thought of going there to look for some containers, and I'm glad I got this for 350 Kenyan shillings, which was quite affordable. These ones, wow, and it comes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this one also comes in 5. So these are the tomatoes. I'm boiling them without adding any water. So I just cut here so that I can see if it has any, if any has spoiled, but they are all good. Yeah, so I'm just going to boil it and then I will blend and freeze. My burgers are ready. This one is also ready, so I'm waiting for them to cool and then freeze. So guys, this is how it's going over here. This is my vegetables. They're already warm, so I'll put them in these tins and then I'll store them in the freezer. This one, I think we're going to eat this tonight. This is mrenda and kunde, so I'll leave it there in the fridge. And these are the carrots. These carrots, I cut them in different shapes. These ones I grated and then grated too. And then this one I chopped. This one I'll use to make vegetable rice. This one salad juice. Yeah, and this is also vegetable, managu and terere. And then I have ginger that I'll use to make juice, and beetroot to make juice, beetroot again. And then I have these green bell peppers. I'm going to freeze this I'll use to make, just to cook. And then I have peas that I'm also going to freeze. And then also these ones, a mixture of green, red and yellow bell peppers. I'm also going to freeze that. So let me just put this in the fridge and then I show you more. So guys, I've also remembered I bought these avocados. It's difficult to get good avocados. These are going for 20 shillings each. And also got apples, 30 shillings each. The coconut I'll use to make coconut juice, 50 shillings each. Pineapple, 50 shillings each, I got 2. Then the mango, 50 shillings. No, it was 40. And then I have bananas over here. They were 4 at 20 Kenyan shillings. So I'll freeze that. No, just put in the fridge. And then I'll use to make a smoothie with maybe avocado or the mango. So that's all. So I also bought this cabbage. Oops, my githeri is ready. Maybe, I don't know. I'm going to check. So as I was saying, I also bought this cabbage at 50 shillings, and then I've divided it into 4 and then wrapped them in this cling film. And so I'm going to put it in the fridge. It lasts longer, by the way. If you put it this way, it lasts longer. I realize that it lasts longer, so I'm going, unlike if I freeze it, I don't know if I froze it the bad way or what, but I realize that if I freeze it, it takes shorter time, like it forms those ice. But if I just put it in the fridge, it takes longer time. So I'm going to put it in the fridge. So guys, okay, these are tomatoes. I'll freeze them tomorrow after freezing these. This is a mixture of bell peppers, coriander, garlic, ginger, some lemon juice and a bit of salt. And this one too. So I'll finish freezing these and then I'll freeze this. So for the moment, these are going to be in the fridge. So guys, I'm finally done with everything except githeri. It's cooking, and also my omena is here. I've washed it, so I would love to like cook some with soup, like that boiled omena. So I'd love to cook that. So I'll freeze some of it and some of it I'll fry. And so here is how I have organized this fridge. It has everything I need, and I still have a lot of space. Like, wow, this fridge is just so big. So I haven't bought much stuff. So let me start with this freezer part. This freezer part, I haven't shopped for meat products, so this one I like bought it just for the time being. It's meat. And then I have here paste for marinating paste. I've frozen it, and some of it is here. These are vegetables. These are carrots. Some are used for rice, some for salad and whatever. And this is beetroot. So when you move here, I have peas, I have the green pepper, and then other green peppers. And then over here I have the leftover, the dengu, green grams, and also green grams. Here there's nothing, but I'll put some fish there when I buy. There's nothing too, but there's still a lot of stuff that I haven't bought, but technically these are most of the stuff that I use. So here is also still empty. But with time I know it will get something. So when you move to this side, up here there's nothing. Here I have these pineapple, ginger, carrot, beetroot. I'm also lacking the fruits like watermelon there. Then I have banana, avocado. And here I have some vegetables like leftovers, but we'll be eating them today, so there's no need to freeze them, I mean. And then these are the tomatoes that I'm going to freeze tomorrow, so they'll stay there. Over here I have milk. Ooh, and then I have cabbage, lots of cabbage. You think this is a cabbage camp. Then over here I have here there's some apple and mango, and then down there is lemon. Yeah, so that's all that's there. And then this side up here there's nothing still. And then by the way, we don't take a lot of drinks, so maybe more of blended natural juice will do. So here I've blended carrot and beetroot mixed with pineapple too and some ginger. Blended them and take them tomorrow. And here just mayonnaise, some Smirnoff, and just oil. Yeah, so that's all for now, but I know with time maybe I might find something else that I love, but for now this is all that I have and all that I use. So I'm just glad that I got this bigger freezer part for all that. So when I get some chicken and fish, they'll go there, but this side it will be more of vegetables. Yeah, so guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Like, comment and subscribe. So bye for now, and let's meet in another video. Bye.